Yeah, what's up guys, it's Johnny. Welcome to Johnny's Whips. Today we're going to be replacing the engine air filter on this 2023 Honda Civic Sport. And this is the original Honda part right here with the part number if you guys are interested. The only tools you're really going to need is going to be the Phillips head screwdriver that I have there. Or you can also use a 5.5mm socket, which is what I have right here. Yeah, 5.5, there it is. Or a Phillips head screwdriver. And it's super easy to do it, man. All you got to do is just loosen up this screw right here, which again is going to be either a Phillips head or a 5.5mm socket. So get whatever you choose. Go ahead and loosen that up. Once you got it loosened up, then the next thing that you got to do is go ahead and remove this clip here. Then you have another one here. And this right here, you could just go ahead and leave that and that right there. You don't have to remove it really. So you get that loosened up and then just grab it, kind of just pull it forward. Oh, there it is. All right. So it doesn't look too dirty from here, but you know, once you get it out, oh man, there it is. Check that out. 30,000 miles, man. Yeah, it was about time. So this is the old engine air filter. There we got the new one. You guys can see it's the same shape and all, so we're good, but man, this is dirty. It was about time. We'll get this new one out of the package. Well, actually first, let me go ahead and clean this up. That way we can, you know, work with a clean area. We don't have all this dirt here. Give me a second. All right, so we already went ahead and cleaned that air filter box out. Check it out, nice and clean. Just get it out of the bag. All right, so let's make sure that we put it in correctly. It's pretty much got a shape to it, so you know you can't put it in wrong. Just make sure that it fits, that it's flush, just like that. Then you have those little slots back there that go into those spots there. So you slide them in. You know, you guys can see there. You'll hear it just like that. Then just make sure you get these clips again and just go over right there and right there, just like that. So we got them both where they should be, and then I got to go ahead and tighten that down. Not super duper tight, but you know. All right, there it is. We're all done. So once you get the two clips back in place and you tighten that down right there with either the Phillips head screwdriver or the 5.5mm socket, then we're all done. All right, man, that's pretty much it. I appreciate you guys watching Johnny's Whips. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe.